Before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Now let's get back to the video. Today we are making objective text so that your game will not be boring. This is a part 1 out of 2. I may have forgotten to record the second part, so I may have to record it again, but it will be the next video. Anyway, that's enough stalling, so let's get into the video. Inside of Starter GUI, add a Screen GUI and name it to Objective UI. Now inside of that, add a text label, rename it to Objective Text. Alright, you can drag this anywhere you want. You can also customize it how your little heart wants. Remove the text, go onto the UI, and uncheck the Enable button. Go to Replicated Storage, and add a remote event. Rename it to Set Objective. Now add a local script into the UI, and now write what I type. Alright, now add a script inside of the server script service and write what I type. You don't need to type printPlayer.name. I just did that for testing. Boom. We are done. Let's click play and test it. It works. But anyways, that is it for this part. See you guys in part 2.